Today I want to share my thoughts about why. Hello everyone, welcome back to SpeakRiseYT. My name is Muhammad Amin and I'm an English learner. So on this channel I want to share about my journey, about my learning journey. So I'm happy to see you here. Today I want to share my thoughts about why English is important in today's world. In my opinion, English is one of the most important languages in the world. English helps us communicate with people from different countries. Even when people speak different native languages, English can help them understand each other. English is also useful for education. Many books, websites, online courses, and educational videos are available in English. If we understand English, we can learn many new things and gain more knowledge. English can also create more opportunities in the future. It can help us communicate, study, learn new skills, and connect with people. For me, learning English is not always easy. Sometimes I forget words, make grammar mistakes, or feel nervous while speaking. However, I try to practice every day because I know that improvement takes time. So that is one of the reasons why I start this YouTube channel. Making videos help me practice speaking and become more confident. I also hope that my videos encourage other English learners. We do not need to be perfect. We only need to keep learning and practice. If you are also learning English, please subscribe to SpeakRiseYT and join me on this journey. We can practice, learn, and improve together. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you understood my thoughts. Please share your opinion in the comments. Why do you think English is important? I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.